How to start a $500 SIP in Groww, step by step, button by button. What you need first: PAN card, Aadhaar linked to phone number, bank account with UPI enabled, Groww app, download from Play Store or App Store. Part 1. Account setup one time. Open Groww app, tap Sign Up. Enter your email and mobile number. Verify with OTP. Enter your full name, PAN, and date of birth. Complete KYC. Take a clear photo of PAN. Enter bank details for linking. Complete a quick e-sign using Aadhaar OTP. Wait for KYC approval, usually 15 to 30 minutes. Once approved, you'll see the full dashboard. Part 2. Set up your SIP. From the dashboard, tap the Mutual Funds tab. Tap the search icon at the top. Type Nifty 50 Index. Select Nippon India Nifty 50 Direct Growth, or ICICI, Axis, etc. Direct Growth. Tap Start SIP. Enter $500 as monthly amount. Date: 1st or 7th of the month is common. Tap Proceed. Part 3. Activate UPI AutoPay, first time only. You'll be asked to choose payment mode. Tap UPI AutoPay. Enter your UPI ID, like your name at Ocaxis. You'll be redirected to your UPI app, PhonePay, GPay, Paytm, etc. Approve the e-mandate of $500 per month. Done. Groww confirms SIP is active. Part 4. Track your investment. Tap My Investments on the home screen. You'll see Active SIP, $500 per month. Current NAV, fund value. Profit and loss over time. You've now become an investor. No theory, no waiting, real execution.